Today's highly increasing competitiveness over the industry demands high quality and most consistent products with a competitive price. To address this challenge, several industries considering various new product and integrate manufacturing techniques in parallel with the use of automated devices. Industrial automation is the use of technologies for the control and monitoring of industrial processes, devices, or machines, which, as a rule, are repeated functions that work automatically, reducing human intervention to the maximum. Industrial automation facilitates to increase the product quality, reliability, and production rate while reducing production and design costs.
One of the industrial sectors where automation has developed considerably is in the automotive industry. Currently, the automotive industry uses robots in production process to perform work in areas of welding, painting, assembling, styling, and component handling. They have the advantage of doing very high speed work with great precision. Its program is simple and easy. The tasks performed with the robots are, for example, the screen of components, assembling injectors, breaking limbs, quality controls, and lot and the trade of materials.
The automation of the process, from the placement of the pieces to the packaging and labeling, throughout the possible operation of the process. Automation in the plastic industry has become a very demanding task. The sector of the plastic has turned into the one most important market for almost all the manufacturers of robots. The levels of automation can be from the simple extraction of pieces with placement in a transporter until sales of automated work. The most recent systems are applications for inserting inserts into the mold before being injected. Quality control system and SRS system with barcode detection are also very common. Without a doubt, automation has allowed a great change and allows these companies to improve their profitability, economy, and production capacity by making the industry put on the highest margins on compatibility, quality, and innovation.
Industrial automation is the use of computerized or electromechanical systems or elements for industrial purposes as an engineering discipline broader than a control system. It encompasses industrial instrumentation, which includes sensors, field transmitters, control and supervision systems, data transmissions and collection systems, and software applications, real time to supervise and control the operations of plants or industrial processes. Industrial automation is present in large cookie companies, where they use this technology to avoid annoying tasks like the packaging of this.
Automation in the laboratory has been around for decades, but historically, accessibility and ease of use was reserved for high-value processes. One example in the pharma industry is using liquid handling robots to improve reproducibility and increase the validity. The systems used to automate process steps during the manufacture of pharmaceuticals are continuously evolving with the new instrumentation and control products coming to market. Pharma organizations need to create a checklist of essential criteria and certifications that potential vendors must have. This will streamline the selection process and ensure the organization only partners with established and comprehensive vendors. Example of automation in the pharmaceutical industry is: first, the box of the drugs or medicine are deposited in a machine. The machine holds the box and takes it to laser to read its barcode. Depending on your brand, your function would have been in the trace. This is a cyclic process to order drugs or medicine and help people who supply drugs and medicine.
In conclusion of all we exposed, we mentioned some advantage and disadvantage of the industrial automation. Some advantages are totally continuous processes, high levels of quality in products, saving in cost of personal production and energy, less time of production and less work accidents. And disadvantages are need of personnel more specialized and expensive to control the machines, high cost of investment to start the project of automation of the industry, technology dependence, and rise of unemployment in the city. To define if it is profitable to automate an industry, we have to define a project given some variables: security of the employees, cost and profits, quantity of production and seasons of work, useful life of the product, and complexity of the implementation in the industry.